Today I will discuss another important lean manufacturing tool called the PDCA cycle. The PDCA cycle is a powerful tool used in manufacturing to achieve continuous improvement. It is an important part of both lean manufacturing and total quality management, also known as TQM. The PDCA cycle was developed by W. Edwards Deming. It is also known as the Deming cycle. The Deming cycle follows four main stages. First, design the product with proper testing. Second, make the product and test it during production and in the laboratory. Third, sell the product to the market. Finally, collect customer feedback, evaluate the customer experience, and redesign the product for further improvement. PDCA stands for P, Plan D, Do C, Check A, Act. The main purpose of PDCA is to solve problems systematically and continuously improve processes. Now I will explain each step. The first step is plan. The goal of the plan stage is to identify an opportunity, define the problem, and develop a strategy for improvement. The main activities in this stage are clearly define the problem, set measurable objectives, collect and analyze data, identify the root causes, develop an improvement plan. Good planning creates a strong foundation for successful improvement. The second step is do. The goal of this stage is to implement the improvement plan. Instead of making changes across the whole organization at once, it is better to start with a small-scale trial called a pilot project. A pilot project is a small test implementation of a new idea or process before applying it throughout the entire organization. The activities in this stage include execute the improvement plan, conduct pilot testing, train operators, monitor the implementation process, record observations and any challenges. This helps identify problems before full implementation. The third step is check. The goal of this stage is to evaluate whether the implemented solution achieved the expected results. The activities include compare actual results with the target, measure key performance indicators, or KPIs, analyze both successes and failures, review the collected data. This stage helps determine whether the improvement was successful or if further changes are needed. The fourth and final step is act. The goal of this stage is to standardize successful improvements or take corrective actions if the results are not satisfactory. The activities include update standard operating procedures, or SOPs, share best practices, train all employees, expand the implementation across different departments. If the target is still not achieved, restart the PDCA cycle and continue improving. This makes PDCA a continuous improvement process rather than a one-time activity. In conclusion, the PDCA cycle is a simple but highly effective method for solving problems and improving quality. By following the four steps, plan, do, check, and act, organizations can improve productivity, reduce waste, and achieve continuous improvement. Thank you.